Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a list view like this. You can scroll in horizontal direction. Okay, I already created a Flutter project. Now I'm going to create a stateful widget. Okay, my stateful widget name is my home page. I'm going to change this container into scaffold. And I'm going to create a app bar, title, I'm going to save this file. Yeah, I got a app bar. After the app bar, I'm going to create a body, container, child, list view. Inside the children, I am going to create a inkwell, child, container. Now I am going to create a child, its text, list view 1, style, text style, font size 32, color. Okay, I'm going to give a white color to this container. Okay, decoration, text, box decoration, border radius dot circle, and give it as 20. I'm going to save this file. I'm going to give a background color to this container. Save this file. Yeah, I got a list view, but it's not good. So I'm going to give a height. Okay, height it's 200, and also width it's also 200. Now I'm going to give a direction to this list view, scroll direction. Okay, axis dot horizontal. Save this file. Yeah, I got a container. Okay, I want this list view 1 in center, so I'm going to put this text in the center. Okay, yeah, it's nice. I'm going to give some padding to this inkwell. Yeah, 8 is enough. You can give a navigations to this inkwell. Okay, yeah, it's nice. Now I'm going to copy this padding, complete padding. Okay, and paste it for 3 times. Yeah, I got a list view. I'm going to change this into 2. This is 3. Save this file. Yeah, I'm going to scroll. Yeah, it's working well. You can create a list view in like this. I think this video will help you. Thank you. I will see you in next video. Bye.